sa tanong niyo po, Mr. Chair, and dun po sa nakaraang hearing na binanggit po ni Congressman Espares.
So ganito, ma'am, ang pagkaintindi ko sa sagot mo is there will be no shortage of transportation after the deadline dahil may mga traditional pa na babiyahe. Tama po ba?
Opo, na-consolidated po, Mr. Chair.
Traditional na consolidated.
Opo, Mr.
O
Chair.
kailan to?
Ilan?
In Region 6 and Bacolod City. Do you have your records?
We will get the records, Mr. Chair.
Oh, please submit kasi ang sinasabi mong traditional, that is the traditional jeepneys that operates with a provisional authority. Tama?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
And this provisional authority, hanggang kailan to?
Hanggang April 30, Mr. Chair.
Oh, yun ang problema.
Mr.
In
Chair,
short, sandali. In short, after April 30, this provisional authority will expire.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yes.
Mr. Chair, after April 30, maghihiwa-hiwalay na po yung nag-consolidate pero may traditional jeepneys. Tutuloy pong tatakbo yun. Yung unconsolidated po by April 30, yun po ang hindi na po natin patatakbuhin.
And
Ulit. Teka.
ang gulo ng sistema nyo. Oh, kasi, anyway, Chairman,
Yeah, pakiulit para klaro. Sa
Opo,
pagdating ng April 30, yung mga nag-consolidate, naging kooperatiba, maski may traditional jeepney sila, pwede
po
silang
si-
tumakbo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Yung hindi nag-consolidate, hindi pwedeng tumakbo
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yan
Okay.
po yung policy natin as of today.
as of today.
Opo.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.